Like Markovnikov's rule, there is anti-Markovnikov's rule. Similarly, Markovnikov's rule. The Markovnikov's rule takes place in presence of peroxide. Suppose R2O2, that is alkyl peroxide. So the anti-Markovnikov's rule is called as peroxide effect or crash effect. Here the product is CH3, CH2, CH2Br. This is 1-bromopropane. But in case of Markovnikov's rule, the product is 2-bromopropane. But in case of anti-Markovnikov's rule, the product is 1-bromopropane. This takes place in presence of peroxide, so it is called as peroxide effect. This is followed by the free radical mechanism, which is in your first year. Mechanism is discussed in the first year chapter of alkene. Then method of preparation from alcohol. Simply alcohol ROH react with halogen HX, OHH, water, that is RX plus H2O, that is alkyl halide. Example, R means any alkyl group, CH3OH, suppose HX HCl, HOH water, that is CH3Cl plus water. This is methyl chloride. Here we can prepare alkyl halide from alcohol using PCl3, PCl5 and SOCl2. First, alcohol react with PCl3, that is OH minus Cl minus, interchange nucleophilic substitution reaction, that is RCl, 3 molecule of chlorine, so 3 is multiple here, 3 molecule of R3. The remaining things is 3 molecules of OH, here P, that is POH whole 3 or H3PO3. Similarly, ROH react with PCl5, OH minus, Cl minus, interchange nucleophilic substitution reaction, but here 5 cannot be multiplied, because if we can multiply 5 here, then the product is H5PO5, which cannot be exist. So first R react OH Cl minus nucleophilic substitution reaction, RCl. Remaining product is OH PCl for 1HCl combine HCl, remaining PO and 3 molecule of chlorine, that is POCl3. Similarly, ROH plus SOCl2. SOCl2 is called as thionyl chloride. OH minus Cl minus interchange RCl. Remaining things is OH SOCl. 1H and Cl combine to give HCl. SO and O gives SO2 in presence of pyridine. This reaction is called as Darjon's process. This reaction is called as Darjon's process. All PCl3, PCl5 and SOCl2 gives alkyl chloride from alcohol. But among the three, SOCl2 gives maximum yield. SOCl2 gives maximum yield. Method of preparation of alkyl halide from CDO, silver salt of fatty acid. Silver salt of fatty acid formula is RCOAG react with bromine molecule in presence of CCl4 by heating process. So CO2 gas is evolved, 1 Ag and bromine combine to give AgBr. The remaining is RBr, that is alkyl bromide. So the theory is silver salt of fatty acid react with bromine to give alkyl bromide in presence of CCl4 followed by heating. This reaction is called as Horns-Dicker reaction. Then special method of preparation of alkyl halide. Special method of preparation is also called as preparation of alkyl halide by halide exchange process. First, we can prepare iodoalkane. Alkyl chloride react with sodium iodide in presence of acetone, NaCl, that is Ri plus NaCl, that is iodoalkane. This is the special method of preparation of iodoalkane, is called as particular name reaction, that is Frankenstein reaction. So we can write alkyl chloride react with sodium iodide to give iodoalkane in presence of acetone. Similarly, special method of preparation of alkyl halide, that is fluoroalkane. Alkyl chloride react with AgF, simple AgCl, that is Rf plus AgCl. Similarly, alkyl bromide react with mercury fluoride, Hg2F2. 2 molecule of fluorine, so 2 is multiplied here, so the product is 2 molecule of Rf plus Hg2Br2. Hg2Br2. Any metallic fluoride, this is the metallic fluoride, that is metallic fluoride. So theory is alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide react with metallic fluoride to give fluoroalkane. This reaction is called as Stuart reaction. Particular method of preparation. Preparation of iodoalkane is called as Frankenstein reaction. Preparation of fluoroalkane is called as Stuart reaction. Then physical properties of alkyl halide. First, state अवस्था. Lower member of alkyl halide like CH3Cl, CH3F, CH3Br, C2H5Cl are colorless gas at room temperature. Then alkyl halide up to C18 are colorless liquid. Then the rest member of alkyl halide are colorless solid. Second point is melting point and boiling point. The melting point and boiling point of alkyl halide increases with increase of molecular mass. Molecular mass increases, melting point and boiling point increases. Suppose CH3F, CH3Cl, CH3Br, CH3I. Among these four, CH3 group is common, but iodine has more molecular mass, then bromine, then chlorine, then fluorine. So the melting point, boiling point is first CH3I, then CH3Br, then CH3Cl, then CH3F. Suppose CH3Cl, C2H5Cl, C3H7Cl, C4H9Cl. Among these four, halogen atom is common, but here 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon. So 4 carbon has more molecular mass, then 3, then 2, then 1. With increase of molecular mass, melting point and boiling point increases. Third point is solubility. Alkyl halides are insoluble in water due to absence of hydrogen bonding. Absence of hydrogen bonding. Insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvent. Repeat again, alkyl halides are insoluble in water due to absence of hydrogen bonding but soluble in organic solvent like CCl4, ether, ethyl alcohol, etc. Next, density. The density of alkyl halide increases with increase of atomic weight or molecular mass. Iodine is more molecular mass, so iodine has more density than bromine, then chlorine, then fluorine. Fifth point is dipole moment. Simply dipole moment is called as the electronegativity difference between the two atoms is called as dipole moment. So fluorine has more electronegative value, that is fluorine has more dipole moment, but the dipole moment order is CH3Cl, then CH3F, then CH3Br, then CH3I. This is because due to small size of fluorine atom, it has less dipole moment than the chlorine atom. So the dipole moment order is CH3Cl, then CH3F, then CH3Br, then CH3I. This is discussed in the periodic table chapter of first year. Periodic table chapter of first year. Thank you. Chemical properties of alkyl halide. First, nature of CX bond. In CX bond, halogen atom is more electronegative atom. So electron pair is shifted towards more electronegative atom, getting negative charge, and carbon is positive charge. So in CX bond, halogen is negative charge, carbon is positive charge. So it is polar in nature. Chemical properties generally three types in alkyl halide: nucleophilic substitution reaction, second is elimination reaction, third is other type of reaction in alkyl halide. First point is nucleophilic substitution reaction. It is of two types. Nucleophilic substitution reaction is two types. One is SN1 and another is SN2. First SN1, that is nucleophilic substitution unimolecular. SN1 means nucleophilic substitution unimolecular. In this reaction, the rate of the reaction is depend on only the concentration of the reactant. Rate of the reaction is depend on only the concentration of reactant. Only the concentration of reactant depend. So it is a first order reaction. Example is, this is tertiary alkyl halide, react with OH minus, that is nucleophile, product OH minus Cl minus, nucleophilic substitution reaction. So the product is CH3COH plus Cl minus. Mechanism is, in the first step, CH3 tertiary alkyl halide break down to give positive charge and chlorine negative charge. Carbon upre positive charge, that is when this is carbocation. So tertiary alkyl halide undergoes heterolytic fission, that is heterolytic fission. Heterolytic fission to give carbocation intermediate. Unequal divided, so it is heterolytic fission to give carbocation intermediate. So breakdown is a slow step. The reaction proceeds through slow step. Hence, it is a rate determining step. Because the reaction is a slow step, hence we can determine the rate of the reaction. In the second step, this is step 1. In the second step, the carbocation formation in the first step react with the nucleophile to give the desired product. carbocation positive charge, nucleophile negative charge, then opposite charge attacks with each other. So it is a fast step, very fast. So its rate cannot be determined. In the step 1 we can determine the rate because the tertiary carbocation undergoes heterolytic fission to give carbocation intermediate. It is a slow step. In the second step, carbocation intermediate react with nucleophile to give the product. Here opposite charge positive and negative, opposite charge attract with each other. So it is a fast step. So its rate cannot be determined. This is the mechanism of SN1 reaction. For carbocation intermediate is formed. In the second step, desired product is formed. First step is a slow step, so we can determine it is rate determining step. In the second step, opposite are attracted, so rate cannot be determined. So only depends on the reactant. Hence, rate is depend on the concentration of the reactant. Hence, it is a fast order reaction. The stability order of SN1 reaction is first 3 degree, then 2 degree, then 1 degree, then alkyl halide. Because in the step 1 carbocation intermediate is formed. The stability order of carbocation is first tertiary carbocation, then secondary carbocation, then primary carbocation. So the stability for SN1 reaction is 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. So we take the example of tertiary alkyl halide in case of SN1 reaction. SN2 reaction, substitution nucleophile bimolecular. In this reaction, the rate is depend upon both concentration of reactant and nucleophile. But in SN1 reaction, the rate is depend only on the concentration of reactant. But in case of SN2 reaction, rate is depend on both concentration of reactant and nucleophile. So it is a second order reaction. Example is CH3Cl OH minus, Cl minus OH minus interchange CH3OH plus Cl minus. The mechanism of SN2 reaction. In SN2 reaction followed by the transition state, CH3Cl OH minus. The OH minus attack from the back side because here one nucleophile Cl minus is present. So another nucleophile OH minus cannot be attacked from the same side. So OH minus is attached from the back side. SN2 reaction followed by a transition state in which both of the nucleophile, that is OH minus and Cl minus, is attached to the carbon atom. Then breakdown to give the product CH3OH plus Cl minus. In SN2 reaction, it follows by a transition state. The nucleophile OH minus attack from the back side. In the transition state, both of the nucleophile is attached to the carbon atom to give the product. Hence, so the rate of the reaction depend on both reactant and nucleophile. So it is a second order reaction. The stability order of SN2 reaction is, for SN1 reaction the stability order is 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. But for the SN2 reaction it is reverse, that is 1 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 3 degree. So important question is distinguish between SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction. Question is distinguish between SN1 and SN2 reaction. One side SN1 and another side SN2. First, it is a first order reaction. It is a first order reaction. Second, in SN2 it is a second order reaction. The stability order is 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree. Here the stability is 1 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 3 degree. In SN1 reaction, carbocation intermediate is formed. Carbocation intermediate is formed. But in SN2 reaction, it followed by the transition state. In SN1 reaction, the nucleophile attack from either of the side, both front side and back side. Nucleophile attack from either of the side. But in SN2 reaction, only from back side. Only from back side. Here SN2 reaction, nucleophile only attack from back side because one nucleophile Cl- is already present here, so the nucleophile is attacked from the back side. Then mild concentration of nucleophile is preferred. Here high concentration of nucleophile is preferred in SN2 reaction. High concentration of nucleophile is preferred because in the transition state of SN2 reaction, both OH- and Cl- is attached to the carbonator. The high concentration of OH- is required to push up the Cl- ion to give the desired product. So the nucleophile OH- should be high concentration for the SN2 reaction. Here example is CH3 Cl plus OH- to give the product COH plus Cl-. Here CH3Cl plus OH- CH3OH plus Cl-. Very important, distinguish between SN1 and SN2 reaction. Another chemical properties of alkyl halide is elimination reaction. In the elimination reaction, simple molecule like water HCl is removed. Simple molecule like water HCl is removed to form the compound which contain multiple bonds. In alkyl halide there are two type of cases. Suppose CH3CH2Cl react with aqueous KOH and another is CH3CH2Cl react with alcoholic KOH. In case of alcoholic halide, there is elimination reaction takes place to form the compound which contain multiple bonds. Here simple KCl is removed, so the product is CH3CH2OH plus KCl, that is alcohol product. But in alcoholic KOH there is dehydrohalogenation process. Dehydrohalogenation process. D means minus, hydro means H, halogen means X. So here to give the product CH2 means CH2H, CH2Cl. In HCl, H positive, Cl negative. Negative means gain of electron, positive means loss of electron. So the product is CH2 double bond CH2, KCl to give KCl, OH, H to give the product water, that is alkene. So in aqueous case give alcohol product, but in alcoholic KOH give alkene is the product. This is followed by dehydrohalogenation process. One important example is suppose CH3, CH2, CHCl, CH3. There are two type of cases. Here we can remove hydrogen from here and also here. So cases is CH3 suppose CHH, CHCl, CH3. Similarly from this side CH3, CH2, CHCl, CH2H. HCl, Cl negative, H positive. Here Cl negative, H positive. So for the first product is CH3, CH double bond CH single bond CH3. Second one is CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH2. This is the major product. This is the minor product. The major minor product is based on one rule, that is Sergev rules. Sergev rules is most substituted alkene is the major product. Here the alkene is here has two substitution, one CH3, one CH3, another CH3. But in case of alkene, here is one substitution, most substitution here, so it is the major product and it is the minor product. This is according to Sergev rule. That is, this is based on the elimination reaction followed by dehydrohalogenation process. Another chemical properties of alkyl halide is reaction with metal. First, with magnesium. Alkyl halide RX react with magnesium to give simple RMgX. That is, R means alkyl, magnesium halide. This is called as Grignard reagent. Similarly, chlorobenzene react with magnesium to give simple benzene, Mg combined with Cl to give MgCl. This is called as phenyl magnesium chloride. Then reaction with sodium. Based on this sodium, there is three reactions. First is OH reaction, then OH fatigue reaction, then fitting reaction. In OH reaction, 2 molecule of alkyl halide react with sodium metal. Here halogen is -1, 2 molecule of halogen, so 2 is multiplied here. In dry ether medium to give Na positive, halogen negative. So 2 molecule of halogen combined with 2 atoms of sodium atom. So the product is RR plus 2NaX. This is alkane. Example is CH3Cl plus 2NaCl CH3. That is 2NaCl. See dry ether medium CH3 single bond CH3 plus 2NaCl, that is ethane. This is applicable only for preparation of symmetrical alkane. Similarly, in OH fatigue reaction, here 2 molecules of alkyl halide, but in OH fatigue reaction, 1 molecule of alkyl halide react with 1 molecule of aryl halide, benzene. Similarly, with sodium metal, similar 2NaX, dry ether medium, benzene R, that is alkyl benzene plus 2NaX. Example similarly CH3Cl plus 2Na plus Cl benzene, that is chlorobenzene, gives -2NaCl benzene CH3 plus 2NaCl, that is methyl benzene or toluene. In OH reaction, 2 molecule of alkyl halide react with sodium metal. In OH fatigue reaction, 1 molecule of alkyl halide and another is aryl halide, similarly with sodium metal. But in fatigue reaction, 2 molecules of aryl halide. (2NaX) diphenyl plus 2NaX. Difference is OH reaction, OH fatigue reaction and fatigue reaction is in OH reaction 2 molecule of alkyl halide react with sodium metal. In OH fatigue reaction 1 molecule of alkyl halide and another is aryl halide. But in fatigue reaction 2 molecule of aryl halide. All are react with sodium metal. then come to the Franklin reaction. Franklin reaction is 2 molecule of alkyl halide react with zinc metal. In Wurtz reaction, 2 molecule of alkyl halide react with sodium metal, but in Franklin reaction, 2 molecule of alkyl halide react with zinc metal. So zinc valence is 2, so 2 is not multiplied here, that is Rr plus Zn(X2), that is alkane. Similarly, one similar type of reaction is Ullmann reaction. It is applicable only for iodobenzene in presence of copper. In presence of copper, iodobenzene react with copper. So 2 molecule of iodine, so 2 is multiplied here, 2Cy 2Cy, this is diphenyl. In Fittig reaction, similar 2 molecule of iodine react with sodium metal, but in Ullmann reaction, 2 molecule of iodobenzene react with copper to give diphenyl. Both of the product are same. Here also diphenyl, here also diphenyl, but difference is here sodium metal, here is copper metal. All 5 reaction and one type. Then reaction with lead sodium alloy. Alkyl halide react with lead sodium alloy. 4 molecule here multiplied, here 4 molecule multiplied. 4 molecule of Na react with 4 molecule of Br to give 4 Na Br. C2H5 whole 4 molecule of C2H5, C2H5 whole 4, that is 1 lead Pb. The remaining 4 Pb, 1 is here, then remaining is 3 Pb. This is TEL, tetra ethyl lead. So the theory is lead sodium alloy treated with alkyl halide in dry ether medium to give tetraethyl lead. This is reaction of alkyl halide with the metals, different type of metals. Some of the nucleophilic substitution of reaction of haloalkane. First, reaction with sodium alkoxide. Sodium acid formula is RONA, sodium, that is alkoxide. Alkyl halide react with sodium alkoxide. Here Na positive, X negative, that is NaX, ROR. This is ether. Then alkyl halide react with sodium alkoxide to give ether. Example is CH3Cl plus CH3ONA, Na positive, Cl negative, that is NaCl, remaining is CH3O, CH, that is dimethyl ether. This reaction is called as Williamson synthesis. Particular name reaction, that is Williamson synthesis. Then reduction. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. Alkyl halide on reduction, addition of hydrogen, one H combined with R and another H combined with X, that is RH plus HX. This is alkane. So reducing catalytic reduction in presence of nickel. So for example, CH3Cl plus L2 in presence of nickel, one H combined here, CH3H plus 1HCl, that is HCl, that is methane. Then alkyl halide on reduction gives alkane in presence of nickel. Then reaction with ammonia. RX, ammonia is NH3, that is H, NH2, 1HXHX product is RNH2 plus HX, that is primary amine. Then RNH2 react with another molecule of alkyl halide, H plus X minus HX. So the product is 2 molecule of R and NH, 2 molecule of R and NH, that is secondary amine. Then secondary amine react with another molecule of alkyl halide, H plus X minus, that is HX. 1 2 3 molecule of alkyl group N, that is 3 degree amine. Then 3 degree amine combine with another molecule of alkyl halide. Here not present of H, so R positive X negative, but the lone pair or nitrogen atom is present, so R positive combine with the lone pair. So the product is a 3 molecule of R and another molecule R4. N positive charge develop here, then X minus. This is positive and negative term, that is a one type of salt. This is called as quaternary salt. This method is called as particular naming, that is Hofmann's ammonolysis method. Particular naming. Then reaction with silver salt of carboxylic acid, RCOAG. This is silver salt of fatty acid or carboxylic acid. RCOAG plus RX, Ag plus X minus combine to give AgX. The remaining product is RCOOR plus AgX. This is the formation of ester. Then silver salt of fatty acid react with alkyl halide to give ester. Similar example, CH3COAG plus CH3Cl, product Ag plus Cl minus AgCl, CH3CO or CH3 plus AgCl, that is the ester, that is methyl 2 molecule 1 2 ether